What's up everybody, Ryan here with the Lawn Channel, and today I'm just going to talk a little bit about the lawn and its current state, and right now it's not so good. I put out some fertilizer on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, September 10th, so I put out fertilizer on Sunday at about 0.8 pounds per thousand nitrogen. But I put out some, so I put out the Higher Bricks fertilizer. It's 22:7:7 ratio. And I put it out, I don't even know, I had a 30-pound bag. I put it over 8,000 square feet. I think it come out to be like 0.8 pounds of nitrogen per thousand. And I've got I've got fertilizer burn all over the yard. I think it's only where I applied fertilizer, so my best guess is that. I did water it pretty well, but it's been super hot and dry lately, so I just think it got the best of it. And also on Sunday, I applied a plant growth regulator, another round of that. And so therefore, it's gonna be growing slow on top of it, so it's probably gonna look rough for a while. And not sure what to do about that, but just to let it ride. Like I said, we're getting into September now. We've got about another month of decent growing, and then after that, we're on the downward spiral towards dormancy. Also, just an update on the previous video, you saw me do a lawn leveling 101, in which I leveled this area over here on the side that I sprigged, and it's coming in pretty well. It's been about 8-9 days now, so it's coming in good. I expect that to kind of fill in before the grass does stop growing, but it does look good, and I think this will be a decent first leveling. So I do expect this area to fill in nicely, like I was saying, and I think this is going to turn out really well. I do plan on doing another leveling this next spring or early summer, and I will level again throughout the entire yard probably, and just keep at it until I get a surface that I'm happy with. Guys, this is just a quick update. I hope you enjoyed it. Just not a good, just kind of disappointed with the fertilizer burn, and if it's a disease or fungus or whatever, that sucks too, but honestly, I'm not gonna worry about it too much. Like I said, we are going into the final month of the growing season, if you can even call it that. I mean, I guess you would say, yeah, September is a growing month, but once you get into October, I mean, it may be green, but it really slows down, and then once you get into November, it's gonna go dormant. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more. I got a lot of good stuff coming up soon. Just been a kind of a slow past week or so here in the lawn. All right, catch you later.